You borrow $1,000.
Me?
I wet the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, one. Blaze Dan, I'm at the place, you know. I'm here the best comedy.
Time for call Keisha. Keisha!
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call.
He needs
If you
some
do have
milk.
enough credit, please hang up and try making your call later.
What's that?
Oh!
$0.00. How comes? I'm a top up with you. That don't make no sense. I forgot calling people. Bad man.
Take a one trip to the shop. Never know seminar no rice, so me got a road for you, right?
Thanks for making it a flow. This is Mr. Bullock speaking. What you want?
Yes sir, my name Blaze no.
Me just a call for tell you say, me put on one credit and it no go on for my phone. So what me fi do?
Alright, sir, so me go help you with that. Tell Liaison, where you live?
One light post, 3 bush drive hangover.
One place in Jamaica name, sir?
Yeah, one just yeah man, one part in a Jamaica name
I
sir.
first me hear that. Alright, Mr. Blazer, give me a minute, let me look for your account.
Ah yeah man sir, do the do.
Put this at the immediate and no sense. The man say him borrow $1,000. When if you put on $100 on his phone and feel saying they go have credit. When I say I want to
Please
eat
stay
that.
on the line, and your call will be.
Alright, Mr. Blaze, check your account. You say you borrow $1,000.
Me?
You put on 30-day plan. And you buy $100 credit and put on it. How the hell you feel so you go pay back for it? You know no sense? $100,000 take away $100 left for much. No $900 you owe.
I don't have no money to pay off that.
Where the hell you borrow $1,000 for if you can't pay back? You feel pick up where you can manage, you know,
He
sir.
needs some milk.
Go look at you that thing up your phone.
Take a one trip to the shop. Never know seminar no rice, so me got a road for you, right? We just get a link with the rice, and we just trust the rice. Run a one boat now, come me too hungry.